Hello again, friends from all over the world. The more time I spend in this city, the more I find interesting places. There are many places to see. And if you are thinking of visiting Warsaw, I recommend stopping by here. And if not, anyway, this video is full of curiosities. Well, today, the power plant shines with a new light, radiating creative energy and vitality. It has gone from being a symbol of the industrial era to becoming an icon of culture. This will be a journey from energy to culture. We begin. Warsaw is a city rich in history and transformation. Among its many landmarks and points of interest is Elektrownia Powiśle, a former power generation site that has undergone remarkable evolution over the years. In the first decades of the 20th century, Warsaw was experiencing an industrial boom and constant growth. To meet the growing demand for electrical energy, several power plants were built throughout the city. Among them, Elektrownia emerged as a pillar of the capital's electrical infrastructure. Strategically located along the Vistula River, Elektrownia not only supplied electricity, but also became a focal point of urban life. Workers came daily. Commercial activities flourished in its surroundings, and the energy it generated fueled the growth and development of the city. With the passage of time and technological advances in the energy sector, Elektrownia Powiśle reached a turning point. The power plant became obsolete and was decommissioned in the 1990s, leaving behind a legacy of decades of service to the community. Elektrownia's story did not end with its closure as a power plant. In a surprising twist, the site was acquired by enterprising visionaries with a new vision for its future. Instead of demolishing it, they decided to give it a second life, this time as a cultural and commercial center. The transformation was a long and meticulous process. Original elements of the power plant, such as pipes and machinery, were preserved to be incorporated into the design of the new complex. Industrial architecture was mixed with modern touches, creating a unique and captivating atmosphere. Finally, in 2010, it opened its doors as an avant-garde cultural and commercial center. The complex is home to an eclectic mix of designer shops, gourmet restaurants, office spaces, and areas for cultural events. It became a must-see destination for locals and tourists alike. Elektrownia's story is an inspiring reminder of how innovation and vision can transform a legacy of the past into a promising adventure into the future. Leave me your comments and tell me if you would like to see some interesting place here in Poland. And don't forget to subscribe.